watching German Gyan. 2nd August, guys. Yes, you have heard right. Cooks, now you can also get your appointment German online. Then yes, German Gyan is there. To get German certificates for visa, then yes, German Gyan is there for you, 100% valid. Guys, VFS office has such amazing great news. So there are a lot of news which you have to listen. So watch this video till end and let's get started. Hi guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today I'm again here with a new video, and this video I think so is a most awaited video, because in this video I'm going to tell you what are the new guidelines, what are the new rules which VFS office especially in New Delhi has come up, because so many of you, like so many, are requesting, ma'am, please tell me when bachelor less than 90% will be opening for the visa. So many cooks were also waiting. So this video is for you guys. There are a lot of points which VFS officers come up. In fact, if you want to know that how you have to book your, if you want to know that how you have to book your appointment, then I have created a detailed video step by step. Link you will find in the description, so please do not forget to watch it. And without wasting time, let's get started that what are the new updates. And before that guys, if you are new on my channel, then please guys don't forget to subscribe this channel, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Are you ready? So let's get started. So guys, the first news which I want to tell you is that you can see clearly on your screen that Germany Consulate, Chennai, Hyderabad. Last time I have updated you that they are working only 2 days, but now they are working 5 days in a week. So it's absolutely amazing news. If you live in Chennai, Hyderabad, then you can consult them, you can talk to them, you can go there and visit 5 days. In fact, everything is online, so I really don't think that you have to go there. But it's a very good news that they are working all 5 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All the very best. Let's come to the second news. So guys, here is our second news, and this is related to German Embassy New Delhi. So yeah, VFS application, visa application New Delhi. This is a very important information. So the first point you can see on your screen is Master Student VFS New Delhi will restart accepting the application. This has been started from 19 July, but there is one condition which is written: customers who has appointment between 1st June and 16 June by the VFS Global for appointment. All the prior appointment stands cancelled, but these were accepted only. The embassy will be accepting only the application for winter semester, will be beginning from September 2021. I think so first point is very clear. And yeah, let's come to the point number 2. Bachelor students more than 90% in 12th grade and test AS 100 points or more, VFS New Delhi has restarted your application from already 5th July 2021. Customers who had appointments, whosoever was having appointment from 1st June till 2nd July, they have been already got a mail from VFS office by themselves, and all other prior appointments which were done after this has been cancelled by VFS office itself. The embassy will be accepting application of students visa for winter semester. Again, I'm telling you, only which is beginning from September 2021. Now let's come to the point 3. Scholarship holders, postdoc, guest scientists, VFS office New Delhi will be restarting, which means already restarted accepting your application from 15 July only. If you have done the prior appointments that has been cancelled, so please, I request you, in a description you find the link where you have to book your appointment. If you want to see that how you have to book, that I have created a detailed video, you can watch that also. I will be putting a link in description. So in that you can see that how you have to book, and please reschedule, reappoint your new application and you will get successful, because they are already accepting. Now let's come to the most important point, which is 4th. employment and skilled workers and independents, VFS office has already started accepting the applications from 19 July 2021. So if you have done before that, your application has been rejected, has been cancelled by the VFS office, I again request you, please go in a description and find the link where you have to book your appointment and book a new appointment over their website itself. If you want to know that how you have to create, proper detailed video is there in the description. Please do watch it. Please don't put any wrong information. Make sure you are doing each and everything correct. Fifth point is that if you are a blue card or an independent person, then VFS office has again started taking your accepting your applications from 19 July 2021. And if you have done the prior, then please I request you again, please book your appointment again if you want to see. Link is in bio. Next, this one is a most important one because cooks and bachelors were waiting from so long. So if you are a cook or if you are a bachelor looking for the bachelor, and if you have less than 90% in 12th, then finally New Delhi will be restarting accepting your visa for cook and bachelor less than 90% marks in 10th from 2nd August, which is a coming Monday. So please guys, if you want to book, then you will please start booking your appointment. And one thing very important, if you already have an appointment on 2nd or after 2nd August, you will be getting a proper mail from VFS office with a new appointment date, and date will be remain the same, so you don't have to worry for that. The applicants who has appointment till 29 July will be has been cancelled, so request you, please book your slots after 2nd August. They are available, they have just released. And one more thing, please don't hurry because there are a lot of people waiting for you, waiting like you, so they will be having a bulk thing. So please have some patience and your visa will be your visa application will be accepted. Just you have to need some patience. The visa stamping VFS New Delhi has restarted accepting the visa stamping cases for all the categories. So this is a very good news for students. Those applications were submitted prior to the travel ban. Please guys carry the copy of admission letter of the winter semester and other documents as mentioned on a approval letter which you have received at the time of D visa stamping. I think so you remember. Now I'm gonna tell you very important instruction, and this is specially for students. So please guys watch this video till end and let me tell you. Guys, it's a very important note. Please note that if your documents are not arranged properly till the date of your appointment, you will have to take the new appointment. Please guys, I have already created that what all documents you need for VFS office. Please make sure you check that video. I'll be putting a link in description. Please maintain all your documents ready because VFS dates appointments, all of you know you are getting very with the hard work. So please make sure that you are arranging all your documents on time. VFS office will not reschedule any appointment by their side. So please guys make sure. So they are saying that please ensure that your documents are complete as per the checklist, including blocked account admission letter, upcoming winter semester beginning, which is beginning from September 2021, and make sure your application is accepted. Very important. So guys, good news for Schengen visa applicants who are applying from New Delhi. So German Embassy in New Delhi will be restarting accepting your applications for all the categories. I'm repeating, all the categories from coming 16th August 2021. Make sure you have already submit your applications on a prior notice so that your application should get selected. And yeah, make sure guys you have signed up with the declaration form. That form I will be putting in description, so make sure you do fill it if you are looking for this visa. And guys, make sure they do not have to be fully vaccinated. Vaccination, if you are half vaccinated, then also it will work and your visa file will be accepted. But please check your pre-boarding at the airport. Make sure you do that. If you need a help, then Plan Traveling is there for the air ticketing for Germany. And guys, very important thing, Germany is only recognizing the Covishield vaccine from India. So those who were not yet vaccinated or received Covaxin slots, they can only travel if they have been pre-approved by the embassy. As an essential traveler who have exempt from the travel ban and must undergo mandate quarantine in Germany. This is a must. Covishield vaccination certificate must be there, either passport number or date of birth. With recognized vaccination, no quarantine is required upon arrival. Please carry a negative PCR test taken not earlier than 72 hours before arrival and register yourself on the given website. This website you will be getting in description, so make sure you check it out. Guys, tomorrow also new video is coming up, a detailed video for vaccination. What are the vaccination rules required for Germany? Make sure you check it out. Guys, I hope you have learned each and every guidelines related to New Delhi VFS office in detail. Now you can fly to Germany without any problem. And guys, one more thing which is very important, if you want to book your tickets for Germany, you want to take your air tickets for Germany, then Plan Traveling is there for you with an extra discount and coupon code is GermanGyan. So don't forget to book your tickets with Plan Traveling. And if you need any more information, then you can comment down below. I will be so much happy to answer all your queries. See you in my next video. Till then, keep learning German with German. Please take care. Cheers.